Friends, good evening. So I have already given the timing candle. I just want to explain you all as to how to trade this timing candle. A very short video. I'll not take much of time. So just listen to this carefully, so that in the future, when I give the timing candle, you'll understand as to how to trade this. So this was the timing candle which I have already given. The 5 minutes candle already given, and this was the 15 minutes starting. Starting open, and this was the low. Okay, so this was a low, sorry, this is a low. Okay, now it see from here it came down and then again it went up, and exactly at the timing candle it got rejected, right? So there was one small closure here which was above this, but there was no follow through. We need one follow through, then it will come back and hit this line, or it will come and hit this line, and after that if there is one more candle coming here, then it means it should go up. And if it is not going up, if you're taking entry here, the stop loss will be this one, below this level. That's all. So don't take much of stop losses. Okay. So in this case today it did not close, but it comfortably closed on the downside. And simple reason is that why you should take a nice put call today is that open is equal to high here, right? So there is no confusion as to why we should not take a put call. Open is very high, that means definitely it should fall, and it has not crossed a 15 minutes high low. Okay, so from here it closed exactly at this position, right? And I have marked this on the black line, and one more timing candle, one more confirmation candle was here. Okay, now again it retraced back exactly here. Either it should come here, hit, and then come back here, take a position here, or you can take it here if there is no candle closing above this line. If it is going above this line, then it might slowly start doing the premium decay will happen at the same point. So exactly you can take a entry here, or you can take a entry here, or you can take a entry here. So giving three options. So whichever comfortable way you can always look at. Since this candle is very small, your stop loss is very very small. Okay. So from there, if you look at, there is no looking back. It just gave a. In fact, this is a buy entry here. You can actually take the 15 minutes low and buy from here, and then you can again probably sell. But that would be a clear scalping technique, which you will understand probably if you know the charts well. But wouldn't advise the market where it is a open is equal to high, and the number of points is also very big. If you look at the entire, uh, fall from here to here, it's around 186 points. So it is difficult to say whether it's going to go up again, close at this high level or not. We don't know, or it may even from here again, it might again come down. So we don't know. So the scalping I don't recommend, but it's a very clear bit of trade on the timing candle. So from here, it's almost there's no looking back from here. From here, it is almost roughly around 150 points, which we have covered. The same thing, it's very simple and easy to trade. There is no hiccups here, and being a expiry and a month-end expiry also, it gave good results. So the same thing, if you can see the put option of 24 600. So 24 600. So this was the 15 minutes high low. It went up from here again. It then again came down. So 24. So our timing candle was exactly at the 11:15 candle. So if the 11:15 candle, uh, if you take the 11:15 candle, let me just check the 11:15 candle. So it's 12:15, 11:15 candle. Yeah, this is a 11:15 candle, right? This is 11:15 candle. So I've just marked the 11:15 candle here and marked it on the vertical line also, so that we understand more easily. So so this was the starting. No, the first I said no. It came down from here. It went up and then again came here. Okay. So now here the 11:15 candle again started from here. It went up exactly at 24:25. It gave an entry, right? Somewhere around 25 or 27. Okay. So from here it went up. It made a nice move till around 75, at around 75. You could have made some good profits from 24 to 75, 50 rupees roughly. And again it came down and again touched the same candle. And see the type of respect it gives on the timing candle. So that is why I'm saying it is time tested. So you don't have to worry about trading this candle. Maybe I'm saying out of 10 trades, you might lose 2 trades. I'm not saying no, but 8 trades, you will have definitely a win. So again, from here, it went up to 125, 120 rupees here, roughly around 120 or 22. Okay, that was the high it made today. And if you look at the structure also, from here, it somewhere around 100 points. So 100 points is a decent, even for a single lot, if you have really held on this entire thing. It gave you two entries, right? It gave you two entries. One entry is here. This was one entry here, right? The second entry was here again. So if it has not crossed below this, you can definitely take a trade. And the time was only roughly around, at that point, if you look at the time was only around 2:20. So these type of trade generally happen after 2:30, 3 o'clock, 3:15. So if you look at the entire movement, so it happened only after 2:30. So it made a decent move, 100 points. 100 points is roughly around, if you take 100 points into 75, right, with one lot. So it's a decent money of 7,500 rupees per lot. So 7.5K is a nice money, which even for small traders. So this is how we should trade the timing candle. So I just wanted to explain you because a lot of people are still confused about how to use a timing candle. It's very simple. I have not used any indicators here, right? We have our own indicators as well. So if you look at the, taking out all these things again. So if you look at the, intraday GAN support areas, you will get all the targets. So it perfectly got rejected to 121, right? This was a high, 121, got exact rejected the same point here. Okay, and you have intermediate targets. Whichever points you want to exit, probably you can exit. Suppose you have entered at 25, sorry. So there are so many targets here. 81 is there, 100 is there, 64 is there. It is our comfort to exit your trade, but I would say till it is not coming back to this level. Suppose say you have taken a 24 or 25, 26 somewhere, right? Keep your next stop loss at 36, right? If it is not coming back, then move your stop loss to 49. Okay, then move your stop loss to 64. So you have to keep removing your stop loss. So that's how you should trade. So this is the way you should trade the timing candle, friends. So take care and have a nice day. Be safe and stay disciplined. I will post all the other things for tomorrow. As of now, I look at Nifty for a small reversal, maybe uh, towards somewhere, because we are reaching a point where it is looking slightly oversold, but on a very shorter time frame. So maybe a pullback rally from here to 800 levels is possible. I'm not saying no, but if it is going to break this area of today, so we can see Nifty coming back to this area of 24,300 to 24,280. So let's see tomorrow how it opens, and tomorrow is a new series starting. So let's see how it all pans out. Thank you everybody, and good night.